Hey everyone, welcome back to another session by Cybrix Labs, Tanishk here. And in this session, I will be showing you how Oasis AI can help you out with making your simplest of the UIs look cool, professional, modern, and minimalistic with you just being prompting and all the code is handled by Oasis AI. So without wasting any further time, let's move to the computer screen now. So here you can see this is the very simple UI that Oasis has helped me out to build with this simple prompt. So here what it does is whatever you have wrote here, it can do to the uppercase, lowercase, breakpoints, copy to the clipboard, and it can also delete here. So let me re-put the text over here and let's move to the VS Code where we will be designing it and giving our application the modern feel. And now here in the VS Code, I have already customized my Oasis AI with the current application with which I will be working, which is the text converter. And let's go to the Palm tab now. From here, I will be selecting the single sweep, and from here I will be selecting the file, which is the main layout, which is this file that is providing me the UI. Okay, so here let us start prompting. I need to modify the UI, uh, give it a modern look with dark themed black background, give it a header name to this application as what we can give as Casify. Let's give this anything I'm giving over here, and now use the animate presence and motion dot div to give the elegance and motion animation effects. Use proper formatting for the heading. Okay, so let me give this much as of the first try, and let's see what Oasis builds for us. Let's wait for the result. Okay, so the result is here, it is coming, and Oasis is now working towards the code. Okay, so the code is also here, and let's copy it and paste it, and now let's move towards the UI and see. So I think this is pretty much good. Whatever we asked from Oasis has given us. So the animation is also over here on the Casify Oasis has put. So let us go to the Oasis again, and let's work on heading first and make it look premium. So give it a glassy look with silver shades and proper animation. Okay, so I have given so I have prompted it for what we say the header first. So let's see what it builds for us this time. Okay, so Oasis is working on the code and the code is over here. Okay, great. Let's see now. See, so I think this is very much good, and Casify, whatever I have given like the silver touches and glassy glow, it has provided us. Now let's work on this main part, which is the text area and that box. So okay, So now great, now let's work on the main part, which is the input field and the buttons should be black with silver lights and glassy look, and the fonts used in input should be modern. Make this UI classy and professional. Okay, and let's give it over here and let's see now Oasis what Oasis helps us out with this. Okay, so it is working now and it is now working on the code. Let's wait for the code output. Okay, so the code output is here and let's paste it here and now let's see. Okay, so I think this is also good, but it is not that much premium. Okay, so the overall box is not looking fine. The overall box is not fine as the background is complete black and it is white and the box is white. So act as a senior developer and to the box give some premium feel and look. Okay, so let's see here what Oasis helps us out now. It is working on the code right now. Let's wait. Okay, so the code is here and let's copy it and now see the results. Now see, it is very much good right now. And if we, okay, so the text font is also good and now the buttons are not looking good, right? So now let's work on the buttons as these as the UI for the buttons are making the website look lesser premium. Make them professional but classy. Now let's see what Oasis does according to this prompt. Okay, so Oasis is working. Okay, so the result is here. Let's copy it and paste it and let's see the output right now. Okay, it is fine and let's make some more changes. Add a grid pattern in overall background and make it some glassy. Let's see what Oasis does now. Okay, with this prompt I need to add the grid pattern. Let's wait. Oasis is working on the code right now. Okay, so Oasis is working on the code. Yes, the code is over here, and let's copy it and paste it. Now let's see whether Oasis has done it or not. Yes, the grid pattern is here, but it is like not visible because the color of the background is black. Okay, so the grid pattern is here, but as the background is black, so the grid pattern is not visible. Act as a UI UX expert and make this UI look premium. Now let's wait. So the grid pattern is here, but it is not visible. Okay, no issues. Oasis will fix it. Oasis is working right now. Okay, so the result is here, and let's copy it and let's see what Oasis has built for us. Okay, so yes, you can see here the grid is visible now, and so add some gray lights in the background, as the background currently is looking dull. So make it premium feel. Use some animations. Okay, so let's see what Oasis does now. Okay, so it is working over the code right now. Let's wait for the code. Okay, so the code is here, and let's copy it and paste it over here, and let's go to the UI now. Okay, nice. So this is something pretty much good right now, and only the case I am not liking is this the buttons. Okay, so let's work on the buttons again. Now the buttons act as the UX expert. Look the complete UI and then think about the professional buttons and classiness, and build it. Work on the buttons to give premium look. Okay, okay, so Oasis has started working, and let's wait until it works over the code. Okay, okay, so Oasis is working right now. Let's see. Let's wait until Oasis works over the code. Okay, so the code is here, and let's copy it and paste it, and now let's go towards the UI. Now the adjustment of the buttons have distorted a bit, so work on that part and make the buttons sleek enough. Okay, so let's see what Oasis gives now. Okay, so Oasis has started working. I think buttons UI is correct now, but the alignment is right. So Oasis is working on that. Okay, so the code is here and let's see the output now. Great, this is pretty much great, right? So you can see the output right now. What was the UI back then, and now what is the UI, the animations. If I reload this, you can see the animation, how the header which we have given classify how it comes, right? See the animations, the colors and everything. These are pretty much good. Welcome. So like this way you can incorporate Oasis in your daily workflow, and it will help you immensely to upgrade your websites, and it will help you integrate your backends completely. So stay tuned for more updates on Oasis AI. Until then, happy coding.